All right, good morning. This video is going to tell you a little bit about how Modern Classrooms is going to look in our class. So this is an example of something that you will get for each unit. So you'll have the lesson or standards, the learning targets, and then you'll have to do. Okay. You'll also have target dates for when these things should be done. If you're in a class that I teach on A days and B days, so there will be 2 dates here. One will be for A day, one will be for B day. At the very end, that is the unit due date. Okay, the very last one. So you'll see that the different activities are broken up into 3 different categories. There are must-dos, which are signified by the seeds. Okay. There's should do's, which are signified by branches. And then there's aspire to do's, which are signified by trees. So if you are on pace and on target, you should be doing the seeds and the branches at least for that lesson, for that day. If you are behind, then you just focus on doing the seeds. If you get the seeds and branches done, then you move on to the tree. Okay. The more you get done, the better your grades will be, the more likely you will be to pass your mastery checks. What this is going to look like, so you'll get one of these with each unit packet that you get, so that you can keep track of where you're at within the unit and what your next step is. A couple things to note. You will see that there will be mastery checks that you will need to do. Those will be done at the back table in class. They will be done on usually about a half sheet of paper. Let's see if I can find one. There are about 3 different questions usually. You'll have to be able to write the answers, and then you'll come check it off with me. I'll give you feedback if you might need to go back and review something and then come back and retake it, that type of thing. Those things are going on your grades, so you'll want to make sure that you get those things done. You will also see that there will be a pre-mastery check on Canvas that you will take as a quiz. You need to have that done and be able to show me that you have your seeds done before you take a mastery check. So you need to check those off with me before you actually take your official mastery check. That just kind of will tell you if you're ready to do the mastery check or not. So that's that. Usually what will happen is you'll come to class, you'll have a starter like usual, we'll do any announcements or things like that that you'll need to know about, and then when it's work time, you'll be able to work on things. You'll see that there are videos and guided notes. That means that you need to have headphones that plug into your Chromebook. I have some that you can use if you don't have some yourself. A lot of these different things will also correspond with Canvas. So in Canvas, you'll have the videos and guided notes and the pregnant Patty childbirth story and all the different things that you'll need to be able to do. That being said, if you're not here, you can do all of the things that are on Canvas. You just won't be able to do your mastery check until you get back to class because those have to be done in person with me. You'll want to make sure that you get at least your seeds done by the end of the unit. But the more you get done, the better off you are in showing me how proficient you are at the standard. So usually the better your grade will be. Yeah, I think that's most of how this is going to work. You will see one of these in all of your unit packets. You will walk through, make sure that when you take mastery checks, you don't have notes or anything. It's just you at the back table with your brain and a pencil and the mastery check. There is also a Google form that you will fill out each day that will kind of show me, it will tell me what lesson you're at, how you're feeling about it, and things like that. There's like 4 different questions. It's pretty easy. That's going to be part of your standard form. I'll make another video about that in a minute, but that's something that you'll start doing starting with the first unit so that I know where you're at, so that I know who I can best help during this time. Okay, so hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, leave them below so that I can answer them. And anyways, I hope that this is helpful for you.